How to check Gmail contacts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari allows users to browse the internet, view websites, and manage browsing data. Once you're here, go to the search bar and go to contacts.google.com. This site uses Google's platform to provide a digital address book for organizing and syncing contact information across multiple devices. It allows users to store contacts, add notes, create groups, and access their information from anywhere, making it a comprehensive tool for personal and professional use. As you can see, you can now scroll down and check all your Gmail contacts on this page. Following these steps, you can easily check Gmail contacts on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.